Okay, so today we're gonna finally do the first job on the car. We're gonna change the spark plugs, not the spark plug wires and everything. Um, so the first step is just to take the wires out and just label them so you know which wire goes to which plug. And we're gonna be changing those out. Spark plugs all around. So yeah, we'll see. This is the first thing I do to the car, period, since I bought it a couple months ago. So we'll see how it goes. The first thing I did is just pull the wires out. I'm not gonna replace the wires yet. So we pull the wires out, we label them accordingly so you don't get confused and you know which one goes to which, and there's no problem with the distributor cap. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I took the very first one out. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I took the very first one out, and it was super hard to do. But that's the first spark plug down. I'm gonna try to show you guys how to. I don't even know how to hold this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. Try to take this out. So it's like stuck in there. A lot of oil on it. Anyway, okay, so earlier we labeled the wires, and now the job is to take them out of the actual plug socket. I got one out, but it was super hard to do. And look at it compared to this is obviously the new one. This one here is obviously the new one. This one is the old one, and it's all like crusty. I assume that is because the oil is leaking into the engine or something. I'm not sure. I haven't really quite researched that yet, but that's one to go. So let me get the. This is my super crazy my setup here. But where's the ratchet? Where did I leave the ratchet? Got the extender, and this is a 5/8. 5 8 inches, I think, or something like that. Yeah, 5/8. Let's take that out. Put the extender on it. Put the ratchet on. Okay, so we got one down, 3 more to go. Let's hope that the other ones are not as hard to take out as these are. So let's see if I can try and do it while I'm on the camera. Sorry here, bear with me. Okay, so we're gonna press in so it snaps into it, and then we're gonna okay, this one is pretty hard as well. Let's see. I assume these haven't been changed in a long time. Okay, I'm gonna try and take it out. I'm gonna try and angle you guys. Let's see, how can I... I don't really know how to prop the camera up. Well, my phone. This is all through my phone. Let's see how I can prop this up. Oh, here you go. I'm gonna tape my phone onto it. Okay, so I taped the phone down. I'm gonna try it now again. Okay. Okay, that was a lot, but I was able to take it out. Let's see. That was a lot. Now we unscrew. Boom. This one is even worse than the other one was. Oh yeah. So 2 down, 2 to go. Okay, so 4 of them are out. So far it's easier than I thought it would be. All the online forums and stuff made it seem like it was pretty difficult. That's where the new ones will go into. So far the first job is going smoothly. Okay, so I had to go to Pep Boys as an emergency to pick up the extension for the torque wrench. It's a half torque wrench, and my sockets were only they were smaller than that, so I had to pick up the extension, but we'll finish now. Okay, so we got everything done, we got everything taken out, so now we're gonna put the new ones back in. At first we're just gonna screw them on, not like tightly, we're just gonna make sure that they're there, and then we'll torque them with the torque wrench. The torque wrench, we have it set to like 19 pounds per we have 19 foot per pound, so we'll see how it goes. Yep, so let's do it. We're just going to go in, make sure they're good, and then we're just going to screw it on. We're not going to do it hard. Well, I'm not doing it hard. I read that you just kind of put them on there to just put them on there until they're snug. Okay, and then that's why you probably don't do it like that. Okay, so okay, so this comes with a rubber stopper in there that kind of holds the spark plug in place, which is good because it holds it in place. To kind of fix the problem that I was running into, I just kind of grabbed some masking tape, I put it on the side there, and what we're gonna do is we just put the spark plug there, put the tape around it, and then that way I can just pull it out. Okay, so the wires are back on, the new plugs are in, and the car didn't blow up, so I think I did a good job. It was really easy. All I used was a torque wrench, the spark plug length wrench thingy. Obviously I got new ones. I used some masking tape, another wrench, and then that was it. It didn't blow up, so I think I did a pretty good job. So this was the first fix of the car, first maintenance. We can close this down. I think it was pretty easy. If it was 0 to 10, I would say it was probably maybe like a 4, but didn't blow up, so I think I did good. Till next time.